Really, guys? Really? We got to have this discussion. Hit that button. Subscribe!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. I always been a winner. I always been on the grind. Like money on my mind. Gotta hustle overtime. Yeah, all the time.
So you notice my friend here has the 357, and it's the one I usually have, right, guys? Well, you know, it's the holiday season, and this is my good friend Rico. He moved all the way out here from where?
St. Louis, Missouri.
All right, St. Louis, Missouri. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Oh man, I'm just somebody that just been in the air gunning for a very long time. Happy to see we got a good company like AEA and the rest of the people, but I'm just giving it all out for AEA the most because that's the best ones that I've seen so far. But just a guy that love to hunt and shoot and live life to the fullest, like my boys say.
Heck yeah, guys. And you guys can see the 357 AEA air rifle is just amazing. I've upgraded it, and it is just a awesome hunting tool. Well, guys, today we are going to actually gift this gun to my friend right here, this air rifle to my boy Rico right here. You know, it's like I said, it's the holiday season, and he doesn't have a big bore in his collection, and I have a few. And you know, at the Afro Sniper X channel, we like to share the love. So we're giving this to him, and he already has the tripod for it. Obviously, I didn't give it to him today. Gave it to him a couple days ago. We're just filming it today, so that's why there's no like super excited reaction.
Oh yeah, I didn't laid up with this already. Yeah, we didn't already had that time.
Heck yeah, man. Well, go ahead and take a couple of shots, man. We'll catch you on camera, and heck yeah, see how you really like it, buddy. And this is at 50 yards, guys, so.
I don't have no light down there. You took the light up.
Oh, dang. We don't have no light down there. Oh, snaps. Because it is dark.
Super.
All right, guys, so that means I got to set the light down there. All right, buddy, take a shot. Tell me how you like it.
See how she do. Ooh, that thing is shooting hard.
Yeah, man, she's a beast. She ain't no punk.
See how this goes. This is my challenge to see.
Oh, she has a heavy spring, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, let me go from this way then.
I'm seeing how handicap friendly this gun is. There you go. Make sure it's cocked all the way back. Now slide it forward.
Oh, yeah.
Booyah.
Man, this work. You gonna get your shot off, Afro?
Oh, do you want me to do a shot? All right, I'll take a shot. Go ahead.
You travel with her, all that stuff.
A little taller.
I know you dated her for a while.
Ooh. She's a beast.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no worries, man. No worries at all, buddy. Wee.
That thing is ridiculous, bro.
Heck yeah.
So I think I have on 2 or 3 shots left.
Do one more.
Massive power, man. It's massive. Massive.
What do you think?
Beautiful, man.
Beautiful?
Beautiful, bro.
Heck yeah, man.
First big bore. First big bore.
Tell him who gave it to you, man.
Afro Sniper X.
Yeah, buddy.
My boy.
Oh, yeah, man. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you.
No, appreciate you. Straight up.
So, you guys could see the light. See the light. They say don't go towards the light, but we're going towards it because we're crazy. So, let's do it. So, we're going to go down there, guys. Check it out real quick. See what we hit. Where we hit on the gong. And call it a day, buddy?
Sure.
All right. Ooh, yeah. That's them 357s right there.
It was putting the power down.
Yeah, man. Beast.
Man, that thing is smacking.
Smacking. Smacking. And that's a 357.
Yeah.
That's a 357.
Hot.
Yeah, because I shot this right here. That was that last shot I took. And then if you look, see?
Ooh, sure did. That thing still produces some power. So that 357 hit it 3 times.
Oh, it's a beast. It's a beast.
Yeah, it blew through. Tough. Man, that's ridiculous.
Proof is in the meat. This thing's a freaking beast, guys, right here. Oh my goodness. For real. Look at this. This is how I gotta lift it up, just to show you guys. Ugh. Guys, it's pure steel. Woo! Safety off. Love it. Ow. Oh, it hurt my foot that time. Ow. Nope, cut it off.
Give that big shout out to Cattleman Guns.
So what you get from Wendy's?
We got I got a chicken sandwich. I always get chicken sandwich.
It's all about that shit. America. Gotta love it. Woo! Claire! Alright guys, this is the Crosman AK-1. 2021. Just came out this year, and let me tell you guys, it is prime time amazing. Don't believe me? Just watch. Don't get no better than that. What? Oh yeah, America. Let's do this. Big shout out to Crossman.